Most people waste their 20s thinking they have time, scrolling, partying, drifting, believing life will somehow fall into place. But life doesn't warn you. It hits you when you least expect it. And when it hits hard. This is the story of 21 years old boy James, who learned that truth in painful way. He is not a bad guy, not stupid, not lazy by birth, just lost. He wanted success, but didn't want discipline. He wanted a better life, but didn't want to change his habits. He wanted respect, but didn't respect his own time. Every night he said, "I'll start tomorrow." And every tomorrow looked the same. His parents gave him freedom. His friends gave him distractions. Social media gave him escape. Life gave him time, and he wasted it like most people do. Late night scrolling, random motivation videos, empty daydreams about being successful, fake productivity, zero commitment. He thought life was on pause. He thought he had years. He thought 20s were for fun. He was wrong. Slowly things around him started changing, but he didn't notice. Friends got internships. Some started earning. Some picked skills. Some got serious. Some moved ahead. James stayed the same, still waking up late, still avoiding responsibility, still convincing himself that he'll catch up later. Life was giving him signs, but he kept ignoring them. Then one day, he met Henry, his old classmate. Same age, same background, same starting point. But Henry was different. Focused, confident, disciplined, growing. He had skills, clients, income, direction. They sat at a cafe. Henry's phone kept buzzing. Business calls, opportunities, messages that mattered. James's phone buzzed too. Memes, reels, useless notifications. For the first time, James felt embarrassed, not because of Henry, but because of himself. That night, James got punched in the face. Not literally, but mentally. Reality hit him. Hard. He finally realized. We started in the same place, but he moved ahead and I didn't move at all. It wasn't luck. It wasn't talent. It wasn't privilege. It was discipline. The thing James never had. That punch destroyed his ego and saved his life. James cried that night. Not because he was weak, but because he finally saw the truth. He wasted years. He wasted chances. He wasted himself. He felt responsibility for the first time. He felt guilt, regret, fear. But inside all that pain, something awakened. A voice whispered, "Enough." Next morning, James didn't touch his phone, didn't open Instagram, didn't check messages. He sat alone, took a pen, and wrote one sentence. "I refuse to waste my 20s." That was it. No big speech, no dramatic moment, just a decision. A simple, powerful decision. Days passed. Weeks passed. Everything changed. He woke up early, read for 20 minutes daily, learned a skill, started exercising, stopped wasting time with useless people, reduced scrolling, started working on himself. His body changed. His confidence changed. His mindset changed. His life changed. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. In 3 months, he landed his first freelance project, earned his first money, built a small routine, got clearer goals. People noticed the difference. He walked differently, talked differently, thought differently. he realized something powerful. Discipline is the ultimate form of self-respect. Most people waste their 20s, scrolling, drifting, avoiding reality, until life punches them in the face. And by then, it's late. Your 20s decide your future. They are not for wasting. They are for building. Life won't wait for you. Life won't feel sorry for you. Life rewards one thing only: discipline. Start now, before life punches you too.